Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Arun Kumar, and today I'm gonna show you how to make stuffed pepper. You have made for this is very southern, but this is Indian stuffed pepper. So it's a stuffed with ground beef and no cheese and green pepper. So stuffed green pepper, you can say, or we say bharwa Simla mirch. Okay, so we need green pepper. So I'm using, this is from my garden, this one plants I have green pepper I got from there. So it's get a little bit red, but it's fine. And and you can I'm using 6. So here you can cut this top part. You can watch your hand while you're cutting. Go slowly. Don't bring knife out so much, it might slip, but you just keep knife in and just move around. Here we go. See, and you just empty this, all the seeds. Like this, you can see how it's now. So same way you can do all. And this is another one I can show you. See how you can make see that it's a bump here, like this. Go around, go in. So here you can do this way, like how I did all. So you can just do nicely here, be careful, don't cut this all the way down, just either you can go big or go home, you don't have to live in the Texas to go big. You can live anywhere. I'm just joking. I'm using 1 pound of ground beef. You can use lamb also, ground lamb. You can use ground turkey, you can use ground chicken, or you can use ground even goat meat if you are in India. And I'm using 6 green pepper here, and I just empty them like this. I'm using 6 green pepper, and I'm using one medium sized onion chopped. I'm using 1 cup of chopped tomato. This is from my garden, or you can say 2 Roma tomato chopped. And I'm using 2 medium size red potatoes or roasted potato. I cook them, and I cook them, and I peel the skin off. And half lemon. This is lime I'm using right now because I don't have lemon, but if you have a lemon, use lemon or lime also fine. And I'm using 3-inch ginger shredded and 4 cloves of garlic shredded, and cilantro, 2 tablespoons of cilantro chopped. If you don't like cilantro, you can use mint instead of cilantro. And look at here, I'm using garam masala. I'm using 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. I'm using half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and today I'm using half teaspoon of chili powder. But for you just use maybe 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, or to taste, because this chili powder is pretty spicy hard. So I don't use so much, and usually I use 1/4 teaspoon, but today I'm using half. And this is half teaspoon of cumin seed powder, half teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, so now we're gonna start. Okay, now I'm heating 3 tablespoons of olive oil on my cast iron here. So oil is hot, so I'm gonna fry this onion first. You just caramelize this onion a little bit, not too much brown. You just caramelize a little bit. So now I cook this onion for 5 to 6 minutes here, and now I'm gonna add this ginger and cook this ginger for just for a minute. So after 1 minute I'm gonna add this garlic. Let this cook this for another minute. Okay, so after 1 minute I'm gonna add these tomatoes. Let us cook this tomato like nicely, maybe like 3 to 4 minutes. So now I'm gonna add this ground beef here. And let's mix this well, and let this cook this for maybe like 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so now I'm gonna add all the spices, all this ground spices here. Mix all the spices very well. Now I'm gonna add some salt here. So I'm gonna add here 2 teaspoons of salt. Let this mix well. Okay, now I'm gonna put this lid on. Let this cook at least 15 minutes. Okay, while you're cooking, because I'm cooking this for 15 minutes, so it's already been like around 10 minutes. So I have to check like every 5 minutes it's not touching, like getting burned or anything. Every 5 minutes you make sure to check this. Or if you see like it's getting burned on the bottom something, you can just add a little bit of water, like 2-3 tablespoons of water. It's been like 10 minutes I was cooking, and so now I'm gonna add this cooked potatoes here. I'm gonna smash them with my hand nicely. Right here. And same time I'm gonna add this lime juice here. Okay, so now just mix this all well. So for the potatoes, you can have more than like just 2 in a 1 pound of beef. You can add more. I just add 2 only. But you wanna like nicely cook so you can smell them. They have to like mix all together here. Okay, it's so it's almost 15 minutes since this meat is cooking. So you can taste right now and add more salt and more chili powder. Okay, so now I'm gonna add this cilantro, and or you can use the mint instead of cilantro, or you don't have to add anything. Meat is already prepared now, so we're gonna turn this stove off and keep this on the side. Let this cool off a little bit. Okay, so now I am heating some oil in this cast iron, bigger one. So I'm heating like 3 tablespoons of olive oil here. While I'm heating this, I'm gonna stuff this green pepper with all this stuff. So I'm gonna put all this stuff in here, all this meat and all. Here I will show you. So you just wanna take this paper and stuff everything in. Take a spoon, make sure like stuff them like nicely, all the way. All the way on, all the way to top. Like this. So same way you can fill it all this paper here. So I'm gonna drop them here before. So let me make sure it's all is hot. It's maybe need few more minutes. Like you can see all this stuff is ready. You can eat like this too, or you can eat this with the rice, even with the naan, and also you can eat it with the Indian flat bread like this. Also, you don't have to do this. This is ready. You can eat like it has so much flavor, so good actually. I already tasted, perfect. And when I put lime there, it gave like a little bit soury taste, but it's like good flavor. And that's also optional, lime, if you don't want, you don't like, but it's good to put the lime actually. Also, we do in India, we use dry mango powder. We use a little bit of dry mango powder also, but it's hard to find here. But you don't have to, you still can cook. So I think oil is hard. Let me check. Yeah. So I'm gonna drop this here all. So I'm gonna drop them like first this way. See the upside down, all of them. And the middle one I'm gonna put all together like this. And one thing you have to make sure you have like cover this nicely. See, it fits perfectly. You don't want to make any room to steam to come out. So I'm gonna cook this in a low heat. Okay, so let this cook for and every like 2 to 3 minutes. Every 2 to 3 minutes we have to check this, because we don't want this to get burned. So every 2 minutes, what we have to do, we have to check and switch them. Okay, it's been like around 3 minutes. Let me check this. So now we have to switch this around. Look at this, how it looks. It's sealed. Now I'm gonna lay this around like this, all of them. Okay, and the middle one I'm gonna put this is upside down. Cover this, and so so that's where you're gonna cook this. You have to cook all over. So now I'm cooking like sideways, like this, and you have to switch around all, and you're gonna cook until the all side is done. So every like 2 to 3 minutes, check and flip them. Turn this side. Okay, so here is our paper is done here. You can see I have to like flip them all over around. Now they all like nicely done. So I turn this off, and now we're gonna try this on. Okay, let's cut this. So soft. So we can try this. So it's just melting in my mouth. You can eat this with a roti or Indian flatbread, naan and rice. Also can have like in the side, you can make a dal, little bit dal and rice and this. So you can either way you can eat like how you want. Also another way you can cook this, how I was cooking the pan, it took longer. You can use a pressure cooker or cooker. This way is go faster also, and you can even bake them. So I hope you will enjoy. If you have any question, feel free to ask me, and all the descriptions are below. And like my channel, comment, and any suggestion, please feel free to write me down. Thank you for watching.